for being here. It's truly an honor to be here with such an inspiring group of early childhood educators.
It's transformative. It's the most fun you're going to ever have in an early childhood setting. It was made by teachers for teachers. You get the best of everything.
It's pure energy. It's a tremendous amount of joy.
You're gonna stand up, you're gonna move.
It's an exciting event. There's always lots of learning. Big names in early childhood are always here. Sessions are always very exciting. And the keynotes are always great and keep you up and moving.
I'm looking to see the energy of people that genuinely want to be here, genuinely want to be better, genuinely want more knowledge. I'm looking for that energy. I'm looking for it.
I've been to a lot of conferences in my career, and the first time I walked into this one, it just felt different.
It's amazing to see everything from the vendors, from the classes. You're able to pick like what's interesting for you.
It's like a refresh every year. You get to go to Splash, you get refreshed on the things that are important with all the different dynamics with the kids, the families, any program you want to implement that just kind of gives you that oomph to be like, you know what, this is why I work with the kids that I work with. This is why we serve the populations that we serve.
When you first come into Splash, you realize is that we've incorporated a tremendous amount of fun and excitement and dancing, but with a lot of really, really important types of professional development. So they come out of it having had a great time, but also learned a lot, which they can take directly back to their classroom.
There are few jobs more important than teaching.
You call yourself a teacher, which most of you do. You walk in the footsteps of saints and breathe the air. It's a wonderful way to spend your life.
I believe that we're building the foundations of world peace. The way that I see Frog Street, I see it as a company that is trying to build concrete tools for teachers to make that vision more of a reality, more practical, and more realistic day to day in a classroom.
And I get to bring this magic to the Frog Street curriculum, which is huge, and I do not think there could be a better time for it.
Their learning has to be fun. It's imperative that whatever you have planned for them, fun is infused at every point, every place you can infuse fun. If there's a song, you're the one in the middle. You're the gang leader. You're the one that's hooping it up the loudest.
We bring a lot of our programs that we work with here just so that they can kind of have that rejuvenation. I think makes a huge difference.
You've never been to Splash before? Come. If that's the only conference your budget allows you to go to for at least one time, it's one of those things where you can never say you didn't go to Splash. You should be able to say you went at least once. So beg your directors, beg the CEO, beg whoever is the one in charge of the money and tell them you want to put Splash in your budget.
Go with an open mind, try to make as many sessions as you can, and connect with people.
It's worth every penny, and the professional development you get is really high quality. I've been to tons of conferences, very high level, reputable companies that, research-based and all that, and I would come here before I would go there any day.
It's really a teacher's conference, and it's all about the joy of teaching. You've never seen a group of people this happy all the time. It's contagious.